If you want to cut through wood, like a hot knife through butter, check out our XL 305mm sliding miter saw. This miter saw has a compact design and a mighty 1800 watts motor. This miter saw also comes with a red laser which helps you cut straight as possible. The miter saw is equipped with a bevel lock to set the blade at a desired bevel angle. You can bevel cut from 0 to 45 degrees from left to right. Right guys, I'm about to do a 45-degree bevel cut. This saw has a turnable locking handle which is used to lock the table at the desired mitre angle. Also you can change the mitre angles by simply turning them like this. It is equipped with a spindle lock button that prevents the blade rotating. To remove or change the blade you must press and hold the spindle lock button. It's got a dust extraction port to reduce the build-up of sawdust to maintain the best efficiency in cutting. This mitre saw is fitted with a 305 by 30mm blade with 48 teeth. This has got dual horizontal steel rails with linear ball bearings. This mitre saw comes with 6 mil hex key, also a workpiece clamp, lovely dust bag and 2 lovely support bars. Shop this now at toolsoftrade.co.uk, and if you haven't, drop a like and please subscribe on our channel.